Hello everyone, my name is Syed Yusuf, part of Team Chrysalis, where a team of 4 students set out to solve the problem of parking. As trivial as it may sound, this is a serious problem for us today. Bill Ford, executive chairman of the Ford industry, says that the global gridlock crisis will stifle our economic growth and it will affect our ability to deliver food and healthcare, and it will impact our quality of life. Parking is a $25 billion industry, which has seen very little innovation in the recent decades. Despite new technologies like hybrid cars, electric vehicles, we have not been able to solve the gridlock crisis effectively. Let me give you very simple statistics. An average person wastes about 30 minutes every day cruising around blocks searching for a parking space. Now this adds up to 15 hours in a month. Now this combined with everybody, it reduces the productivity of a workplace significantly. We're all excited about smart cities and self-driving cars. But should we wait for 10 years to realize that dream? No, we can start today. At the 2011 Intelligent Transportation World Congress, Bill Ford shared a vision with everyone. He saw a future where people can reserve a parking spot at their destination and can be guided automatically through the quickest route using the real-time data which is generated elsewhere. We share that vision. We aim to build a parking ecosystem which will integrate information collected from various parking lots, and it will enable users to make smart parking decisions. Let me give a very brief introduction about our system. We aim to leverage the CCTV cameras which are installed almost everywhere, in almost all the parking spaces. Our image processing software will gather information about the availability of the parking space in that lot. Now all this information will be relayed to the central server, which will at any time know the availability of all the parking lots in the locality. The users will be equipped with an app using which they can search for a parking space around, book a spot which is closest to them, and when they reach the parking lot, they will be guided automatically to the nearest parking spot which is booked for them using a very user-friendly interface. We believe that this system of ours can change the face of parking in metropolitan cities. And we see G. Edison Challenge as an avenue to help us do that, to help us make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Team Chrysalis. Here's a simple parking space that we have prototyped. The overhead camera. This is equivalent to the CCTV cameras on premise. The live feed from the camera is wirelessly sent to this computer. This is equivalent to the cloud in the real case scenario. This computer is controlling a microcontroller which is controlling the devices on the prototype. Whenever a new car comes to a parking space, it is guided to the nearest parking slot by the arrows. The arrows in this case are equivalent to the mobile app, which will do the same work of guiding the user to the nearest parking slot. When a car is leaving, the system detects that it is leaving and the corresponding LED is lit. And the location of the nearest parking slot is updated in the system. As you can see that the car is always guided to the nearest available parking slot. So this was the working prototype. Team member Suresh, team member Yusuf, team member Jigar, and cameraman Ramesh. That was Team Chrysalis.